In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a landing page to your WP Travel Engine WordPress site, a step that's crucial for optimizing your website for better user experience and conversions. We'll walk through the entire process of creating this landing page, from logging in to your dashboard to making the final tweaks to your menu. So let's not waste any time and get right to it. First things first, you want to access your WordPress dashboard. Open a browser and navigate to yourdomain.com/wpadmin. Enter your login credentials here and hit login. Once you're in the dashboard area, you'll need to create a new page. To do this, go over to the menu on the left side of your screen and click on Pages followed by Add New. This will bring up a new page where you can start crafting your landing page. Now it's time to give this new page a name. Choose something that reflects its purpose, like landing page. It's essential to choose a title that's both relevant and catchy because this is the first thing your visitors will see. Once you've entered a name, proceed to the design phase. You have a choice here between using the WordPress block editor or Elementor, a popular plugin, for designing visually stunning pages. If you're familiar with either tool, choose what suits you best. If you're new to this, Elementor is often recommended for its user-friendly interface. With the tool selected, begin designing the landing page. Start by adding a hero image or banner. This is a central image that will grab your visitors' attention, so make it engaging and relevant. Next, add highlights of what your trip offers if you're in the travel business or whatever key points apply to your particular site. This section should be concise yet informative and visually appealing. Don't forget to add call to action buttons like Book Now or Contact. These are essential for guiding your visitors towards taking an action you desire. Once satisfied with the design, it's time to set this page as your landing page if that's your goal. Go to Settings, then Reading. Under your homepage displays, choose a static page. This gives you the option to set your newly created landing page as the homepage. Before wrapping up, let's make it easy for your visitors to find this page from other parts of your site. Go to Appearance, then Menus, and add your landing page to the menu. Don't forget to save the changes here so that your work reflects on the live site. And there you have it. You've successfully added a landing page to your WP Travel Engine WordPress site. This setup not only enhances your website visibility, but also improves user interaction. If you found this guide useful, be sure to let us know and feel free to reach out with any questions you might have. Thanks for watching and happy website building!